Hello everyone. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. And share this video with your friends and family so everyone can learn about the incredible benefits of avocado. Now tell me, do you eat avocado every day, or do you just hate the taste? Leave your comment below and tell us where in the world you're from. Let's get straight to the point. Should you eat avocado every day? What are the health benefits of avocado, and what are the possible harms? Is it true that avocado can help control blood pressure, balance blood sugar levels, and also prevent cholesterol from building up in the arteries? How can you prepare avocado without using sugar, so that you don't lose its nutritional benefits and it still tastes good? How many avocados should you eat per day? And can pregnant women eat this fruit? In this video, we'll tell you all about this superfood called avocado. It's much more than just a fruit. More than 7,000 years ago, the inhabitants of south-central Mexico were already eating avocados. Around 5,000 years ago, local tribes began cultivating avocados, making them as old as the invention of the wheel. In this video, I'll tell you about the 10 benefits of eating avocados every day, as well as the risks of consuming too much. And stay until the end, because I'll tell you about ways to prepare avocados without sugar, so you can get the most out of this powerful food. First of all, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our health tips and activate the bell to receive notifications. It is very important that you share this knowledge with your friends and family, because when it comes to our health, it is worth sharing. So, share it and tell me, do you eat avocado every day or can't stand the taste? Where in the world are you from? Subscribe below. Let's go. Why is avocado a superfood and part of a healthy diet? As I said, the ancient people of Mesoamerica used avocado as an extremely important food, since it provided sustenance and was surrounded by mythological powers. The Aztecs believed that the fruit provided strength to those who consumed it, in addition to having aphrodisiac properties and helping with fertility for both men and women. Interestingly, avocado in Aztec means testicle. For the ancient Mayans, there was a belief that people who had died could come back as fruit trees, and the avocado tree was one of those trees. Over time, avocados left Mexico and Central America and made their way to Brazil and other countries. In the 1980s, when American cardiologists began to blame fats for clogged arteries, avocados were left aside because they were considered a fatty and dangerous fruit. But with new research, it was realized that the fat in avocados was good for them, helping to reduce the progression of atherosclerosis. So avocados returned to the menu and now their popularity has exploded. In 2017, Vogue magazine reported that more than 3 million photos of avocados were posted on Instagram every day. Several celebrities have started to include avocado in their diets, saying that they eat it daily on toast and in smoothies. And it's not just a food trend. Several homemade beauty treatments with avocado have started to circulate on the internet, such as for hair and face, using avocado with lemon juice to make the skin softer and more flexible. But is the fame of avocado justified? Yes, avocado has a high nutritional value. It is one of the fruits with the highest amount of fiber that exists, in addition to being rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, magnesium, and manganese. Let's talk about the 10 benefits of eating avocados every day. First, avocados can improve your immunity. If you live with low immunity and frequent colds and flu, you need something to strengthen your body's defenses, and avocados can help. The National Cancer Institute in the United States found that half an avocado contains almost 20 milligrams of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and prolongs the effectiveness of other antioxidants such as vitamin C and E. The second benefit is that avocados can help fight inflammation in the body. They are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories like phytosterols and polyphenol, which can help reduce inflammation. If you are suffering from joint and muscle pain, eating more avocados can help fight inflammation within the body. Additionally, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. The third benefit is that avocados can help improve your eye health. They're a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that help filter out blue light that can damage your eyes and protect against oxidative damage and age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. Additionally, The monounsaturated fat in avocados helps you better absorb fat-soluble nutrients like beta-carotene. The fourth benefit is that avocados can improve your skin. Antioxidants such as vitamin E, glutathione, and vitamin C play an important role in cell regeneration and the production of collagen and elastin, helping to prevent premature skin aging. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of avocados help reduce redness and inflammation of the skin. The fifth benefit is that avocados can help improve your brain health. The healthy fats in avocados provide energy and help improve brain cell membranes. Because they are rich in antioxidants, avocados can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In addition, the vitamins K, E, and folic acid in avocados play a key role in brain health. The sixth benefit is that avocados can help lower cholesterol levels. Monounsaturated fats, including oleic acid, can help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and increase HDL, good, cholesterol. Additionally, avocados contain beta-sitosterol, which has a similar structure to cholesterol and competes with it for absorption in the intestine, thus reducing the absorption of dietary cholesterol. The seventh benefit is that avocados can help lower blood pressure. They have more potassium than a banana, and potassium is very important for controlling blood pressure because it helps balance sodium levels in the body. A diet high in sodium and low in potassium can lead to sodium accumulation and fluid retention, but potassium helps excrete sodium, reducing blood pressure. The eighth benefit is that avocados can protect the liver. A 2016 study showed that eating avocados reduced liver fat in overweight and obese adults. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, antioxidants, and fiber, which reduce cholesterol and triglycerides, protecting the liver. The ninth benefit is that avocado can improve sleep. Because it is rich in fats and fiber, it promotes satiety and can prevent snacking at odd hours that cause digestive discomfort and harm sleep. In addition, avocado is rich in magnesium, which has calming properties, and tryptophan, an amino acid that is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. The 10th benefit is that avocado can help control metabolism. It is a low glycemic index fruit, which is interesting for those with diabetes, as it keeps glucose levels stable and does not cause insulin spikes. Because it is rich in fats and fiber, avocado provides satiety and can improve insulin sensitivity, helping with weight control. But it's important not to overdo it. Avocados are high in fiber and can cause some undesirable side effects, such as weight gain, gas, and stomach pain. People who are sensitive to latex should avoid avocados, as they can cause allergies. And if you have kidney problems, you should eat avocados in moderation, as they are rich in potassium. Pregnant and breastfeeding women can eat avocados, as they are rich in folic acid, which is essential for the baby's development. So, what do you think of these benefits? Did you already know about them? Do you want to know more about recipes and tips for preparing avocado? Leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and activate the notification bell. See you next time.